Set in Elizabethan England during the 16th century, Geoffrey Trease's historical novel for children, for Treason, tells the story of two children who run away from home to become boy actors in London. Once there, they encounter William Shakespeare and become entangled in a plot to assassinate Queen Elizabeth. 14-year-old Peter Brownrigg flees his village to avoid punishment for throwing a stone at the esteemed Sir Philip Morton. Peter, involved in a scheme to prevent Sir Philip from seizing local farmland, must escape to avoid brutal retribution. He journeys to Penrith, where he attends a play, only to spot Sir Philip in the audience. Hiding in a coffin used as a stage prop, Peter is inadvertently transported with the theater company. When Mr. Desmond, the troupe's leader, discovers him, Peter is welcomed as a boy actor. Another newcomer, a boy named Kit, is already in the company and excels at portraying female roles. Peter grows jealous when he becomes Kit's understudy, prompting a confrontation that reveals Kit is, in fact, a girl hiding from Sir Philip to avoid a forced marriage motivated by greed for her family's wealth. Instantly, Peter and Kit forge a friendship and band together to evade Sir Philip. Following an accident in which Mr. Desmond breaks his leg, nearly exposing Kit's true identity, the two set out for London alone, settling in the notorious Shoreditch district. There, they are recruited by William Shakespeare for his acting company. When one of Shakespeare's new plays is stolen, Peter and Kit recover it, discovering through a poorly composed sonnet on its cover that a treasonous plot is afoot. Decoding the message, they trace it to Sir Philip's estate. Joined by Tom, a concerned spy, they uncover a plan to assassinate the Queen during the first performance of Henry V, orchestrated by John Somers, an actor in their company who seeks to reinstate a monarch favorable to Spain. Reporting the plot to the magistrate only reveals his complicity. With daring and quick thinking, Peter and Kit steal the magistrate's horses and race to London to thwart the assassination. Sir Philip intercepts them along the way, but the pair use their acting skills to evade his men. In the nick of time, they reach London, alert the authorities, and prevent John Somers from executing his plan. The story concludes with Peter and Kit grown, married, and raising two children on Kit's inherited estate, which remains secure from Sir Philip's grasp. Geoffrey Trease, a British author, wrote 113 novels during his lifetime, many for children, working from 1934 until 1997. Inspired by his historian grandfather, he published for Treason in 1942, which remains his best-known children's work. Trease also authored over 20 books for adults, including plays and 3 autobiographies. In 1949, he published Tales Out of School, a work that elevated children's literature to serious academic and critical consideration. His final book, Cloak for a Spy, marked the end of a prolific career. Trease passed away in 1998 in Bath, England. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe.